So, good morning, doctor. So, I will start the lab 2 question 1. So, the code is all here. And then I will start build lab template. And then step over. So, all the values are at here. Variable 1 is 1, variable 2 is 9. And then I will start running the code. Okay, so first line 1, variable 1 will move to AX. So we can see at here EAX becomes 1. And then line 2, variable 2 move to BX. That means EBX will become 9. In line 3, we exchange AX with BX, so EBX and EAX will exchange their values, which means EAX becomes 9, EBX becomes 1. And then line 4, we move variable 1, we move AX to variable 1, which means variable 1 becomes 9. And then BX will move to variable 2 in line 5. So variable 2 will become 1. So we call the dump registers. So we will, that's all for the code. Thank you. Okay, so for the question 3, we will, I already typed the code inside, which have variable inside the data and the code. So again, we start with build template and also step over. Okay, so all the variables in the four variables is in here, and we will start from line 1. So we can see variable 1, which means 5, move into EAX, and continue with line 2. We multiply variable 2 into EAX, which means 5 times 10 equals to 50 in decimal, and turn into hexadecimal will be 32, which shows in EAX. And continue with line 3. We add variable 3 into EAX. That means 50 plus 20, which means 70 in decimal, and 46 in hexadecimal, which shows in here. And continue, we in line 4 we decrement EAX, so it will decrease by 1, which means 46 minus 1 becomes 45. And that's it. That's all. Thank you. So now I'm going to do lab 2 question 5. So firstly, I will code the whole program using the question is stated in question. So move dx 0, clear dx, move ax 1000 hexadecimal, and load 1000 hexadecimal into AR of CX with 25 hexadecimal and load 25 hexadecimal into CX, and the last multiply CX multiply AX by CX, and storing result in dx AX, so storing the result in dxax, and then call dump registers and exit. Okay, so that is the whole code. So now I will start build tab template and step over. Okay, so we'll start running the code. The first line, move 0 to dx. We can see at edx. Yeah, at here, but it will become 0. And move 1000 into EAX. That means here will be 1000 EAX. And 25 in CX will be 0025. And then the lastly, multiply CX to AX. We can see um here AX will becomes 5000 and EDX will becomes 2. This is because 1000 multiply 25 will be 25,000, which have 5 values. So um it will store the result in dxax form. So dx will have 0002 and AX will be 5000, which combines will be 00025000. Yeah. So call dump registers and exit. That's all. Thank you.